The government of Nigeria has warned state and local government areas to prepare for further flooding that could last until the end of November. Meanwhile, flooding in the country, which has affected 27 states since February this year, has worsened and the number of fatalities and displacements has increased dramatically over the last week. In a press conference on the 16th of October 2022, Nigeria's Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development Sadiu Umar Farouk, reported that 603 people have now died in floods in the country since February this year. A total of 1,302,589 people have been displaced, 2,504,095 people have been affected, 2,407 people have been injured, a total of 82,053 houses have been completely damaged and 121,318 partially damaged. Furthermore, 108,392 hectares of farmland have been damaged and 332,327 hectares destroyed, along with many roads and other critical infrastructure. Flooding is expected to continue until the end of November, the minister said. The minister warned state governments, local government areas and community leaders of the impending floods in the coming weeks, especially in Anambra, Delta, Cross River, Rivers and Bayelsa states.